Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem which is based on area between the curves. Let us start with problem number 5. Find the area between the curves y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x between the given interval from 0 to pi by 2. So let us start by drawing the graph of sin x and cos x for the given interval 0 to pi by 2. Let us first draw the curve of sin x. We know that sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1 and sin pi is 0. So first we can draw the curve y is equal to sin x. For that we know that sin 0 is 0, sin of pi by 2 will give you 1 and sin of pi will again give you 0. So let us join these 3 points. Now we will draw the curve y is equal to cos x also. We know that cos 0 is 1. So cos 0, the curve will start from this point. Cos pi by 2 is 0 and cos pi is minus 1. So we have cos 0 as 1, cos pi by 2 as 0 and cos pi as minus 1. So let us connect these 3 points. So this is the graph of y is equal to sin x and this is a graph of y is equal to cos x. Now they have asked you to find the common region between the two curves in the given interval. So 0 to pi by 2, you can see this part is a region which is contributed by both the curves. So therefore we will find this area. Now to find this area, first we need to find the point of intersection or the coordinates present at the point of intersection of the two curves sin x and cos x. For that we can solve these two equations simultaneously. So y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x. Let us put the value of y is equal to sin x here. So this will give you sin x is equal to cos x. We know that the value of sin x and cos x are equal in the given interval 0 to pi by 2 only when the value of x is pi by 4. So here the value of x becomes pi by 4. Comma, if you want to find the y coordinate, you can simply substitute x as pi by 4 here. So sin of pi by 4 will give you 1 upon root 2. So we know the point of intersection. Now the next step is to find this area. As you can see, the curve y is equal to cos x. If I calculate its area below the curve from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 4. Here we have x is equal to pi by 4. The area that we are going to get will be in this shape. This is our curve y is equal to cos x from 0 to pi by 4, and with x-axis the area formed will be in this shape. Similarly, if I find the area under the curve sin x from again 0 to pi by 4, I will be getting this shape. Again we have 0 and pi by 4. And just imagine if I overlap this area here, this part will come here, right? And if I subtract these two regions, the answer will be the remaining part. And that is the area which is asked in the question. To calculate this area, we need to find area under cos x from 0 to pi by 4 and subtract it from area under sin x again from 0 to pi by 4. Both the areas are formed with respect to x-axis, therefore the formula will be integral y dx and the limits of x will be 0 to pi by 4. Both will have integral y dx as their formulas. Limits will be also same. Now to find the value of y, we'll use that equation where y is equal to cos x. So this will give you cos x and this will give you sin x. Therefore a is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 cos x minus 0 to pi by 4 sin x. Integral of cos x is sin x minus integral of sin x is minus cos x within limits 0 to pi by 4. On substituting upper and lower limits, we have Sin pi by 4, minus of minus will give you plus cos pi by 4 minus sin 0 plus cos 0. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 is again 1 by root 2. Sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. And cos 0 is 1. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 will give you 2 by root 2. Minus we have 1. Here we have root 2 ones are, root 2 root 2s are. Therefore, area will be root 2 minus 1 square units. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.